Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? Welcome to today's pre-market video. Just in case you're wondering what is a pre-market, that's the period before a market opens. In this case, we are referring to the Nigerian equities market, the Nigerian stock market. So this video should be out by 9:30 a.m. and then market starts by 10. So that's why it's called the pre-market video. Before we get right into it, a big thank you to everyone who takes out the time to like, share, subscribe. Truly appreciate you for doing so. And if you just stumbled on this or you just saw this on someone's story and you're here so far, I guess you find the content interesting. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on your bell notifications or press that bell notification so you get to know, you get a pop-up on your screen when there's a new video. Every time you do so, every time you engage, it helps grow the channel. So your comments, your shares, your likes, they all help in growing the channel. But as always, please note that nothing I say is investment or trading advice. They are not stock picks. Do your own research. My views can change at any point in time. I may or may not hold a position in anything I discuss here. And that's pretty much about it. Criteria for my watch list: price and volume movement, as well as corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm. And so what do we have for today? First on my watch list, and I'm kind of going to go a bit deep into the stock, is Royal Exchange. Dropped its Q3 2025 numbers after trading hours yesterday. The numbers are pretty okay, but I just feel that the results are a bit scant in details. I didn't see enough details in the numbers. I probably need to check and see, do a detailed write-up, but just the overview I did, I don't have enough depth in these numbers. Here are the numbers I have. So the three zeros at the top, you have comma, you have the Naira sign, and then comma, three zeros, meaning that every figure you see here, add three zeros to it. So what do you have? Net interest income of 287 million, big bounce from the same period last year. Profit, big bounce in profit after tax. But if you notice, that's mostly due to a share of profit on investment in associates. So Royal Exchange, what's listed, in essence, you could call it a holding company. That's typically what's listed, because underneath you have the insurance firm, you have a credit house, and a few other entities as well. So net, the numbers aren't bad. I mean, interest income is up, profit after tax is up, EPS is up. I wonder why you have a sharp, you had a higher rise in EPS than what's it called? Your profit after tax moved up quite higher than your earnings per share. Or did you have higher earnings? Probably as you dip into that. So this is what I have. Now, from a book value basis, stock book value per share for this stock is 92 kobo. Current price as of yesterday is 2 naira 17 kobo. So the stock is trading 2.35 times higher than book value. Book value is the figure you get when you subtract liabilities from assets. So I mean, what do I have it here? I cut it off. Okay, you guys should probably go watch out for the article. I had calculated the return on assets and return on equity. They're pretty much decent. So return on assets, meaning the assets of the firm, the productivity of those assets. So you take your profit after tax and you divide it by the assets the firm has. So return on assets is probably like a 13 point something percent. Return on equity is probably like a what, just over 10%. So the numbers are good. The only down I have with this firm and why I'm not interested in it is they don't have much cash. And remember, the previous video I did, cash rules everything. Cash rules everything around me when it comes to the Nigerian market. So the firm has about 400 and something odd million in cash. That's pretty tiny. Yes, they're coming from a negative position last year, but I need to see more cash, because numbers are good and everything, but if you're going to be overpriced by book value, can you pay me a dividend? I don't think they can do so. 400 odd million in cash. Let's say they add another one, maybe hundreds and something million. So maybe they end the year with 500 million in cash. It's nothing to what moving market. It's not earth shaking. So that is it. Those are Royal Exchange numbers. Let's see how the firm reacts today. Regency Alliance, the stock is one kobo away from its 52-week high. 52-week high is the highest price point this stock has traded in the last 52 weeks. 52 weeks is a year. So let's see how the stock trades and all that. Will it break out or will it fall back? It is hard to predict. It could go either way. This stock could go either way, So let's see how it moves today. What else? Access Corporation and Fidelity Bank. The wait for their H1 2025 numbers continues. Nobody knows when these numbers will be out. So that's pretty much about it. Yesterday, I was unavoidably absent. I had a work meeting, so I couldn't do the media update. But definitely, it's looking all well and good here. Work-wise, hopefully there's nothing meeting. I don't get called out by my bosses at work, and neither do I have a client meeting that takes me away from my desk. So it's looking that the midday update will be back today. 7 p.m. Daily Market Summary on Spotify that went out yesterday. 8 p.m. Daily Market Summary on YouTube that went out yesterday. 8 p.m. Daily Market Summary on Twitter that went out yesterday as well. So this is my lineup for today. And this podcast is on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. All the links are in my bio on YouTube. The website is www.greenticketales.com. Any questions, you can drop in the comment section or send an email to info@greenticketales.com. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. See you in 3.5 hours time with the midday updates. Stay safe.